Hi guys, it's my pleasure to be with you today. Today we have very easy lesson for Junior 6. It's equations. First of all, we have to know what's meant by equation. Equation, that is written on the board, a mathematical expression that includes equality between two sides. Here is a simple example. X minus 2 equals 3. How can we deal with this problem? Otherwise, how can we figure out the value of x? We have two ways. First way is to transfer or to move -2 to the other side. So simply it will be like this: x equal 3 plus 2. Why plus 2? Because you have to use the additive inverse of -2. Clearly, simply, the additive inverse of -2 is +2. So if you add it, you can easily figure it out. So x equals 5. The second way is like that. You apply the additive inverse for both sides, like this. Add +2 here, and the same, because it's an equation. What you should do for the first side should be done for the second side. So -2, +2 will be 0. Then x is left, and here 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we have x equal 5. How can you verify for your answer? How can you check that your answer is correct? It's simple. Go back to the equation where x minus 2 equals 3. Substitute x by 5. 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Now it's correct. Very easy verification to check either your answer is correct or incorrect. X belongs to n, as you know. Let us have another example, guys. 2x plus 3 equals 11. First of all, as I told you, you have two choices. You have two ways to solve. Either you use the additive inverse of 3, or to move 3 to the other side. Let us have the first one. 2x, move 3 to the other side, it will be 11. 11 plus or minus 3? Yes, it's -3 because we have +3 here. So 2x, 11 minus 3 is 8. Now you have 2x. We need only the value of x. So what do? I can hear one side, we divide both sides by 2. Yes, you're correct. We divide both sides by 2 because we have 2x. Suppose you have 3x, you divide both sides by 3. Suppose you have 5x, for example, you divide both sides by 5, and so on. Now x equals 4, and x belongs to n. Again, how can you check for your answer? Go back to the equation, which is 2x plus 3, and substitute 2 times x equals 4 plus 3. According to the order of operation, you have to start from left. If you have addition and subtraction and multiplication, you have to start with multiplication. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and the equation is correct. Guys, this is an exercise. Find the solution set of each of the following equations. Number 8. 2x plus 1 equal 5, where x belongs to m. You can tell me what does it mean x belongs to m? Yes, correct. N means with natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. How can you deal with this problem? You can tell me. First of all, 2x, you move this to the other side. This is one choice, or you have another choice to use the additive inverse of 1, positive 1. So, which is which? Let us move this to the other side. 2x, 5 as it is. This is positive 1, comes negative 1. 2x, 5, take away 1 is 4. So what is the next step? What do you think? Work up your minds quickly. Yes. Divide both sides by 2 because we have 2x. Now x equals 2. Does it belong to n? Yes. So the solution set of this equation is x equal to, where 2 belongs to natural number. Let's have the other one. 4x plus 1 equals 17, and x belongs to z. First, who can tell me what does it mean, z? Yes, z includes the natural number plus the negative numbers. 4x, who can complete? Is it plus 1 or minus 1? Yes, it is minus 1, because the additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. Now 4x equal 16. So what is the next step? You can tell me? Yes, divide both sides by 4. Now we have x equal 4, and x belongs to z. It's correct. For verification, for x plus 1, substitute x by 4. 4 times 4 plus 1. According to the order of operations, you have to start with multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16, add 1 is 17, and that's it. Now we have example C. 12 minus 15 equal 8. Let us have the other solution for this. 12 minus 15, add 15 for both sides. Now we are using the additive inverse. The additive inverse of negative 15 is positive 15. Negative 15, positive 15 is negative 15, positive 15 is 0. 12 is left. 8 plus 15 is 23. What is the next step? What do you think? Yes. We divide both sides by 2. Now L equal 23 over 2. Otherwise, who can tell me? 22 over 2 is 11. Remainder 1. 1 over 2 means 0.5 or 11 and a half. Does this value belongs to z? Yes or no? Of course no, because all the whole numbers belongs to z. So this solution doesn't belong to z, so x is 5. Otherwise, we don't have solution in z for this equation. Thanks so much, guys. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.